let's check out some tips to get a cleaner and more functional home. Don't throw away banana skins. Leave them to steep overnight and use the liquid as fertilizer for the plants. Even radiators need to be cleaned regularly and thoroughly. Do this. Look at how much dust is removed. Now they are really clean. Holes in your clothes? They could indicate the presence of moths. To keep them at bay, use lavender essential oil. They can't stand the scent. To ensure you destroy any eggs in your clothes, put them in resealable plastic bags and place them in the freezer. Problem solved! With this tip, your laundry will always be tidy. This way, all the pieces of the set will remain neatly folded in the pillowcase. Ingenious! Stubborn grime? Try the combined action of lemon and rock salt. A 100% natural degreasing scrub. As good as new. A lot of dirt can build up in the refrigerator's seals. Regular cleaning of the seals guarantees proper functioning of the appliance and inhibits the formation of mold and bad odors. Using an old sock can be a great alternative way to clean radiators. Spray on a cleaning solution to remove all the dust and dirt. Don't forget these slots. Goodbye, dust. A useful tip for folding fitted sheets. Perfect!